So I asked permission from the homeowner if I could film, and she said yes, so got that filter for her. It is hella cold. $37, $38. I usually let it sit for a while before I see the final temporize. I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but temperature rise Fahrenheit is 40 to 70, and we're at 42. Usually heat pumps have a certain threshold where it won't come on when it's a certain temperature or below a certain temperature. When it's a lot warmer, the heat pump will turn on, and then the gas furnace is like a backup kind of source. But again, correct me if I'm wrong. I want to learn. So camera's about to die, so I'm trying to make this quick. You can't just like plug it in. You have to like play with it and all that. That's why I never have the heat pump on when I'm plugging the disconnect back in, because I've done that before where the disconnect is kind of weird, and I plug it back in, and then like I hear the compressor like start and then kind of stop. So I'm gonna plug in my lunchbox. I'm gonna start up the car. It'll start heating up, and yeah, I'm hungry, man. Always hungry. About to fuck this shit up. Not gonna cap. What'd I tell y'all? Beautiful view, man. I want to get something like this one day. Damn, man, it's beautiful. Yeah, this is a easy job, you know, air handler, heat pump, always pretty fast. It just took long with the heat pump because I was just cleaning it off, and ended up looking pretty nice afterwards. And the owner was pretty happy with it. So, all right, y'all, that's it for today. I'll talk to y'all later, and peace out.